Yeah, well, there's a few things really, but I know so many people that have recruited over the years on gut feel, people that they get along with, people they think are like them, and so many people use that adage of, people buy from people that are like them. People recruit that way too, and that's not necessarily the best way. There's a great book by Matthew Syed about rebel ideas, and I love the book. It's a great concept, and it's that if you only ever recruit people like you're only going to get the same idea repeated all those many times. But if you recruit a diverse workflow, people from different backgrounds with different personality types, you'll get multiple ideas, and it means you'll have less blind spots because people will see things differently. So when you're recruiting, you've got to be able to look at the competencies and the personality types of the individuals that you're recruiting and try and create a diverse team that's going to give lots of fresh ideas and keep the business moving on in different ways that you might not have even imagined yourself.